the mirror range brings the true difference to your life. Let's see how it works. Very easy to disassemble and assemble the switch during the installation. Supporting both vertical and horizontal installations, long press on the top left corner to enter menu and choose Settings section. Select the screen display angle you need. 5-in-1 multifunction switch. Choose from 1 or 2 or 3 GAN switches, curtain or shutter controller, and scene switch according to your needs. Choose Wi-Fi config and click on QR code button. Click on plus sign in the app and select L8 system. Enter your 2.4G Wi-Fi and password, then search device. Scan the QR code on the switch panel. In screen brightness setting, second bar represents the brightness in standby mode. In screen light time section, timer setting for auto standby. There are 2 options to display power consumption. You can check either the real-time power consumption or summarized power consumption. We also provide an epidemic report in our switch. More options are available in the app. Timer is to turn your lights on or off in a regular weekly basis. Delay function enables your lights automatically turn on or off after a certain period set by this function, and green mode turns off the lights automatically after a certain period every time after being turned on. Night mode to turn off background lights. You also can customize the switch name, icon, and style to suit your preference. Oh, don't forget, we are also compatible with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Home Assistant to suit your needs. Hey Siri, turn on the lights.